뭔가 흔들리는 것 같아.
What are you doing up there with Miriam?
Sir, I can't point the camera at you. I'm not allowed unless I get your permission.
You have my permission.
Okay. Yeah, there he is. This is gonna be the worst nature video ever. I mean, yeah, nature. There's a bunch of snot-nosed brats screaming. That's the definition of nature.
What were you doing up here with Miriam?
Shut up, I was not. She was right there.
All those video people that are watching me right now. Frank, Miriam. And she...
I'm trying to make a nature video, but you were all getting in it. Apparently.
Frank did Miriam.
Shut up.
Frank did Miriam. He did
Shut
Miriam.
up.
What's that?
He did Miriam.
Okay, move, Cody.
What?
Okay, you guys stay out of my nature video. Come on, you want to be in my nature video? Yeah. Okay, let's go. So, Cody, what's your view on nature?
My view is fucking fun. Provides a bush when you're fucking a girl. Provides a fucking bush.
So, let me ask you, do you have a YouTube channel?
No, I do not need a YouTube channel because I got yours.
Yeah, I guess. But I'm pretty sure this is only the first video you're going to be in.
Is it going to be the last? This question. Probably not.
Yeah, I have special guests on my channel all the time, right? Like Dawson, I've got Tyler, I've got Anthony. And if you guys don't remember, Anthony is the one who had the gay sweater on. You know, the one that had the cubes? Then Tyler's the one who was recording.
Mama.
Tyler was recording on season 2 SmackDown video.
Let's go. I gotta go. I tripped the back.
Ah!
Fuck you, I already got kicked in the balls.
Oh, Ridge. Dude, get some people over here and I'll scare them. Come on.
What, by showing them my
Possibly. Okay, get some people over here. I'm Bridge Troll.
Guys, come over here. Get on the bridge. Yes.
Shit. Bridge Troll. Bridge Troll!
No, fuck you.
You like that?
Dude, you're all fucking muddy.
Shut up.
You look like shit. Pass me the camera and I'll show you your back.
No.
No, seriously, I'll show you. Look at how nasty this looks. He looks like shit. until he takes off his sweater. I'm taking your camera!
Hey, please.
It's my new video! Go fuck your mama! Here, look at nature through my perspective! Good, you're gonna be me up, guys! Come on! Baby tonight! This is through my perspective! Okay, there he is. Oh, fine. That is how you run through a fucking bush. There you go.
Isn't nature just plain awesome? It all depends how you view your life. You view your life great. Nature can be one of the best things around. So, see ya. Bye.